Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a relaxing evening routine. So I'm going to be making pumpkin bread, and then I'm sharing my current skincare routine, as well as a few things that I like to do at night to relax and just unwind from the day. In the fall, I always have a candle burning, and my friend Carrie turned me on to this brand from HomeGoods. These smell amazing, and they're made with a soy wax blend and essential oils. The pumpkin vanilla fragrance is my favorite, but every time I've gone back to get another one, they're always sold out of that scent. So this one is Autumn Harvest. And then I also have, I have a little bit of leftover pumpkin vanilla in my kitchen. However, I wish I could find another one because this one's running really low. So tonight I wanted to make pumpkin bread. I got this gluten-free mix online from Thrive Market, and this was actually my first time trying it. I usually get the one from Trader Joe's, or Simple Mills makes a really great one, but I like this mix because it only uses coconut sugar, so that's the only sugar in it, and coconut sugar has kind of a maple brown sugar flavor that I really love. So here I'm just following the recipe. It was really simple. It's just 3 eggs, coconut oil, and whatever type of oil that you want, and then water. I cooked the pumpkin bread for about 40 minutes, and it was the perfect amount of time. It turned out amazing. This, I think, is one of my favorite gluten-free mixes that I've tried so far. I just put a little butter on it, and it tastes amazing. And what I like about this mix is that it's not too sweet. I love the one from Trader Joe's, but sometimes it feels more like a dessert because it is really sweet. But this one just had a really delicious, warm ginger spice flavor. I also wanted to share a few teas and drinks that I like to have at the end of the day. Natural Calm is something that I have been drinking for years. It's a magnesium supplement, so obviously I recommend talking with your healthcare provider, but most people are deficient in magnesium, and I really like this one. Holy Basil is another calming tea that I love. This one is from Trader Joe's. I recently got this ginger and turmeric tea from Thrive, and it's really good for digestion. Chamomile is another go-to of mine, and I like this one because it has vanilla and manuka honey. It's very relaxing. I wanted to point this out. It may seem a little bit odd, but I do like to change the lights when it starts to get dark out. I have this salt rock lamp, and it has a nice calming warm glow. And then I have these Hue light bulbs, Philips Hue I think, that you can just adjust the temperature and the colors, and I have a nighttime setting on mine. So I find that this helps to support the circadian rhythm and really helps my mind prepare for sleep. I keep my skincare pretty simple right now. I do pretty much the same routine morning and night. I discovered this cleansing oil from One Love Organics many years ago, and I kind of forgot about it for a while, but I started using it again and I remembered why I love it so much. It's really gentle, but it removes all of your makeup, eye makeup, everything, and it leaves your skin feeling really soft and clean, but still hydrated. So it doesn't feel like it's stripping your skin, and it's very balancing, which I appreciate because I kind of have more combination skin, especially in the summer into the fall, early fall. It's very hot here still. So I like it because it also smells like a pina colada. So it kind of smells like a tropical drink. But I apply it to my skin when it's still dry and just give my face a massage and just massage it around everywhere so that it breaks up all of my makeup. And then I gently rub it onto my eyelids to help get off my mascara. And then I mix a little bit of water so it emulsifies and it removes everything. I wanted to show you this face mask even though I'm not using it in this video, but it's a mint mud mask that I fell in love with because it's super invigorating. It tingles a little bit and it gives such a nice deep cleanse. It's really good for your pores, and I like to use this when I have breakouts or after an intense workout. I really love it, so I wanted to share that with you. But this mask is the one I'm using here. It's a polishing mask, so it's kind of like a mask, a peel, and a polish in one. It's very gentle, but it does use different fruit enzymes to resurface the skin. So on days when I feel like my skin is feeling dull or when I need a good exfoliation, I love using this. And I'm actually applying it and then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes while I enjoy a bath. I like to dry brush my skin before showering or bathing. I've talked about this here on my channel before, but it's such a good way to stimulate your circulation and exfoliate. I've been doing this for several years now. It's just something that I've made a habit of doing, and it keeps my skin soft. And I either like taking a quick shower to rinse off before bed or a bath. I try to take a bath on the weekends, but it's not something that I always have time to do. But when I do, I love using bath salts. These are from Dr. Teal's. They're really easy to find at your local drugstore or Target. And I like this one with the pink Himalayan salt. So after my bath, I removed my mask, and I would normally do this in the bath, but I wanted to film this part for you. This is when you can use the mask as a scrub. So it has this blueberry seed paste in it, so it's very gentle. It's not abrasive or anything, but combined with the enzymes, it leaves your skin feeling so smooth and soft. I can always tell a difference when I use this product. This rosehip oil from Pai is another longtime favorite of mine. It's good for all skin types, so even though I'm prone to hormonal breakouts, I can use this oil without any issues. It's full of omegas and nutrients that are really nourishing to the skin. I also like the color. It has this beautiful orange golden color that gives your skin a really nice glow. I can't remember if I've shown this in a video before, but I started using a gua sha a couple of years ago when I started to get acupuncture, and it's really helped with TMJ, and it's helping me just relax my jaw muscles. You can find them in different shapes. Mine has 3 little humps on the side, and it's made with rose quartz, but you can find them in different stones as well. You basically just do this in various swiping motions across your skin and face to help relax the muscles. It helps with lymphatic drainage and it stimulates circulation. I was skeptical at first, but once I started to incorporate it into my routine, I can really tell a big difference. It just makes your skin feel more lifted. So I do about 3 to 5 passes on each side of my face in different angles. You can find many tutorials online of how to use this, but yeah, I really love it. Oh, and another thing that I should definitely point out is that if you do this, you want to do it after you've applied a serum or a facial oil like I did here, because obviously you want it to be able to glide across your skin. You don't want to do this on dry skin because it would kind of defeat the purpose and you'll be pulling too hard at your skin. For a spot treatment for blemishes, I'm still using this one from Rin. It's part of their Clear Calm collection. It's very gentle, so it's good for sensitive skin, but it heals blemishes pretty much overnight or within a couple of days for me. I've been using this one for a few years now, and I continue to repurchase it every time I run out. Before bed, if I've had kind of a day where I've struggled with anxiety, I like to do resonance breathing to help me calm down. I have this app, which is a free download. It's a free app. It's by Eddie Stern, one of my favorite yoga teachers who I really admire. And if you download the app, he has a lot of information about resonance breathing as well as different breath ratios that you can select. So you can do this and kind of pick how long you'd like to do it. You can set the timer, but then you just follow the ball with your inhales and exhales. So I hope that you enjoyed this evening routine. Thank you so much for being here and for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.